Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we're gonna go to the. Okay, hold on. I wasn't prepared. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be beating the dark side of the moon, and I'm gonna do it with one hand. Check this out. One hand. Look at that.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Hey, Karen. Hello, everybody.
Hi, Robert.
Karen, I was just, I was kind of wondering if I could, sit behind your chair there and watch you play your game.
Yeah, I guess so. I'm just going on to the dark side of the moon right now.
Awesome.
Darker side
Okay,
of the
I'll
moon.
just, scooch in behind you here.
Nope.
Yeah, thanks, Karen.
Yeah, no problem. You could sit behind there. Is that you? Are you all right over there? You good? Okay.
Yeah, I'm good back here.
Okay.
I'm just,
Oh my God.
I'm just sitting down.
Okay, yeah. You know, Robert doesn't return my calls. He has a phone? Wait, no, we discovered that he has a phone. I caught him already. Okay, never mind. I forgot that he had a phone. I'm forgetting my own characters. That's not good. Oh, look at us go to the moon! We're going to the moon! Wow! Darker side of the moon! Wow! Wait, he doesn't have phone? Who the hell have I been calling? No, he does. I just forgot. I have a bad memory. Yeah! Robert, isn't this cool, Robert? Robert, isn't this cool?
way.
No way. Oh. It's not cool? It's not cool. Oh my God, he's mad. Huh. Random every time. Robert, look how cool I am. Am I cool looking? Does Mario look cool?
Yeah, baby.
He does. Look at that. Good to know. I might be wrong, but most of the Mario characters aren't just Japanese lore. Are just Japanese lore. I see. Let's see what's going on here. Hey, we're heavy again. I'm not fat. What the heck, man? Oh! Hold on, I think I can jump over to him when he comes back this way. Yeah! That's what also did. I assume that's what you mean, that's what you did. Heart. Yeah, I'm gonna need this. Oh! That's bad. That's really bad. I live though. We're alright. Earn meow.
Meow. Meow.
How's that? Oh! Oh! I'm okay. I might be too good at this level. Or at this game. Oh! How do you fall in lava 3 times and survive? Do you have it on baby mode? No. Ow. Oh!
Yeah. You died.
Yes, I did. Oh my God. I think he's gonna do that all the time. Tomato. Oh! It gets harder the more you go. No! Look at that, I'm a chef. How are you playing with one hand? I will show you, Jackalope. I have the control set so I can play with one hand. If I do this, that throws the hat. If I do this and click in the stick, that jumps. If I press the shoulder button, that centers the camera. If I press the trigger, it crouches. Yeah! Ow! No, 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 no. No, why did I do it twice? Let's see how long we stay up for. Okay. Oh! That's bad. That's really bad. Ah! Why did I try that? No! Damn it.
Wow, another death. Which one are you at? 400?
I'm at 2! Fuck off!
Okay.
Bad idea. That's okay though. We lived. And we're going over here.
Yay!
1 Greco, 1 level. Exactly. Have you always streamed it on YouTube? I did a brief time where I streamed on Twitch. Ow! Faster! Oh! Oh! Okay, we're alright. How would you freeze in this climate? Wouldn't the water be super hot? Robert, do you know? Do you know how the water would be super cold in this super hot climate? Do you know?
Hey, Karen, have you considered that I'm their favorite?
That's kind of unrelated, man, but maybe.
Well, I think I am.
Is that true, guys?
I think I definitely am.
No,
Right,
no,
guys?
I'm their favorite. Who's their favorite? Who's your favorite?
Yeah, see, I
guys?
think somebody just agreed with me.
No, he said XD. That's not agreeance, man.
Okay, well, I'm gonna believe that. Bye.
Okay. Bye, Robert. That's cool. Oh, I should be Yoshi right now. Hello, Sphinx. Mushroom Kingdom.
Yeah!
What? Okay, Earn that has never happened before. Oh man, it's this music. What do you mean? Like Robert coming on has never happened before? I know. He decided at the start there, or when I first got to the Moon Kingdom, that he was gonna sit behind my chair. So you know. Oh, this part. Okay, I remember. I remember this. Ah! No, no, no! Oh no. Come on. No! 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 Okay.
Oh, wow, it never ends, does it?
Dude, I only died 3 times.
Man, that's sad.
I
Okay.
died 3 times, man. Come on. Robert be stalking. Some other YouTuber named Man on the Internet made up an OP song of Mario Odyssey. I'm gonna die again. Robert needs a psychiatric evaluation. Yes, he does. No! I died! Damn it.
Oh. Karen, this is sad. I think you should just give up.
I died. Listen,
I think
man.
you should just give up here, man.
I got like halfway through the level,
This is
dude.
just sad. Ooh.
Dude, screw off. Assistant mode. Okay. Yeah, no, I don't need that. I'm a pro gamer. That's my whole thing. No! Damn it.
Hey, Kieran, did you know that somebody dies every 11 seconds?
I didn't know that. No, Robert, I didn't know that.
Yeah, and half of them are you. Ha!
Fuck you! Oh my god! Okay, I have to admit, that was pretty good. That was a pretty good one. Tomato for Robert. I don't think, Robert, come up here! Robert, do you want to be tomatoed?
No way.
Oh, I missed! Oh man, that's too... I can't tomato him, guys. I think he's too fast to be tomatoed. No! No! Okay, we're fine. Oh no. That's another one right there.
Hey, Karen, I'm kind of running out of things here to say to you after you died. Do you have any suggestions?
Maybe say something nice. Like, oh, Kieran, you did
Well, I ain't
such a good
saying
job.
that
Why?
because you already said it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Does Robert pay rent? Robert, do you pay rent?
Nope.
Okay. I mean, I guess I could have told you that.
Yoshi!
Do you guys like my Yoshi impression? No! No! I got it over. Oh my god.
Wow, you suck.
Okay. Damn it. I need to concentrate. Yes, I know.
Oh, this part seems tough.
Yes, it is.
I don't think you can do it.
Actually, you know what? This. Fuck you.
Listen, man, I was just telling you the truth because I care.
Thank you, Robert. Thank you for caring. Oh, he's gone. Okay. He's like kind of nice. Maybe. Not really. No! Ah, fuck. Damn it. Okay.
Man, are you ever gonna get this right?
Maybe. Who knows? Is that what you expected? Is that the response you wanted? Okay, so I think I kind of need this one. I kind of need the heart. Gamer. I say gamer like how Queso says slay. In the completely wrong context. And I just say it. Also, y'all feel free to ask Robert really easy yes or no questions. I don't think his brain can handle very much, if he even has one. You know, I'll ask him. Oh, let me get somewhere safe here. Oh, like down here. Robert! Robert, do you have a brain? Do you have a brain?
Nuh-uh.
No? Oh, okay. I'm a true gamer. Am I gonna beat this already? Because this is the cheese that I remember. I don't know if I am. No! Fuck! I fucked it up! Damn it. Okay.
Wow, look at that. I think you just died.
Yes, I did.
I think that's what that is. I think you just died. Damn.
What? Oh, okay. I don't know why he did that. That's kind of weird. Oh no! It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Oh, we made it. Oh my god. Oh.
You know, Karen, it doesn't look like I have a nose, but I do.
Yeah.
And I just gotta say, it really smells behind your chair. And I think you should have a bath.
Dude, I have a bath. I had a bath. I feel like you can see the green stink lines coming from me. What? Why is the fog getting higher? Ah! I completely forgot about this part.
Do you have to try to be bad? Holy crap.
Come on! Ah, fuck. Okay.
You know, I never knew someone could be this bad at something.
Okay, you know what you're bad at? Having feelings! I'll never be as cool as him. I'll never be as cool. Fuck. I can't even walk right, Mario. Here's actually a little nugget of truth for you guys. Don't feed, if you're gonna go out and you're gonna feed birds, which you shouldn't do anyway, don't give them bread, don't give them seeds, give them oats. This comes from a real bird. I definitely know what I'm talking about. I gotta, like, shake the controller for this part. Come on! Whoa! Dude, I just skipped this entire segment. Hold on, let me get these. Yeah! I just cheesed that entire part. Okay, hopefully I can, get this.
Hey, Kieran, I need a little ego boost. Get your chat to say something nice about me.
They're not really chatting, but guys, if you want to say something nicer about Robert, do it now. Here, I'll say something. You have soulful eyes.
Huh.
Yeah, 10 FPS! Yeah! Oh no! Fuck!
Well, I don't mean to be rude, but
I died?
I think you died.
Yeah, I died. Yes, I did, Robert.
Okay, see you later.
Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay.
I hope you guys have been keeping track of the deaths, because Kieran, you're not doing so good, are you?
No, I'm not. Honestly, no talk, just lock in. Okay. Show Robert who's the boss. That's a genius idea. That's bad. That's very bad. I didn't lock in enough. I'm very sorry. Ugh. Hi.
I was gonna say something really insightful and intelligent, but I'll be honest. On the way up here, I forgot.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna like make fun of me
maybe I'll
more.
remember it later.
Okay, yeah, just come back if you remember. Fuck!
Oh wait, actually, you know what? I remember it just now. It's that how you died.
Fuck off! What an asshole! Fuck. Okay. Whatever.
Hey,
buddy.
Kieran, check this out. I could do the yoinky splunky.
The Yoinky Splunky? That's not it. That's not the Yoinky Splunky.
How was that?
I don't know what the Yoinky Splunky is, but that's
Okay,
certainly
wait.
not
What
it.
about this then?
That's singing. That's singing really poorly. That's not the Yoinky Splunky.
Screw you.
Dude, you made fun of me like 500 times. Come on. That's intense. That's an epic save. What do you think, Robert? Was that an epic save? Was that an epic save?
You heard it.
You heard it, guys. It was an epic save. I don't even know. How do you even see back there? Can you see back there? Can you?
Yo.
Oh, you can. Okay. Come on. I gotta shake the controller. No, don't go down. Oh, no. Okay. No, I shouldn't have done that. I got cocky.
Yeah. You're not very good at this, are you?
No, I got too cocky there. I shouldn't have made that move. Oh, okay. I wonder why he goes right back and sits down again. And he doesn't just like stay up here and have a conversation with me. That's kind of weird. I think because of the question he was saying are making me feel like it, I'm so eepy. Do you think that, do you think Nintendo would approve of my stream? I think I say the fuck word too much. I think John Tendo would probably try to murder me. Miyamoto's gonna come to my house one day and he's gonna chop my head off. And then roast me for Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, you know what? I just fucked up. I just fucked up that bit. Hold on. Get up here. Hey, man. How's it going? Yeah, okay. Dude, I saw you coming. Tapping on my shoulder after I call his name. I have something in my eye. Hold on. Oh, God, that hurts. I have to be a gamer, though. Oh, shit! Fuck! Ow, my eye! Oh, hold on. Oh, my God. For real. Oh, fuck. Something in my eyeball. Oh. Okay. I think I got it out. Pink, though. Pink, though. Oh, it's still in my eye. It's still very much in my eye. Oh, fuck. It hurts so bad. Oh, I'm crying. I'm actually crying. Oh! Okay. Oh, I'm alright. I just got something in my eye. And I grabbed the best drink ever as well. Just to kind of cope. Dr. Pepper. Okay. I meant to say pink eye. I just noticed seizure. Get the diazepam. And I did the same thing again. That's incredible. I did the same thing twice. In fact, more than twice. Many times. Many times. I did it.
Wow, Kieran, I think you might beat the record here for worst video game player.
I think you might be right, Robert. I'm on your side. He's not even there. Robert might get beat the record of world's ugliest alien. He might, honestly. To be fair, I haven't seen any other aliens in my entire life, so... He's not gonna get the record for most attractive YouTube bird, though. I think it might be a little too gamey. Because how strong I am. What do you think? Because I'm strong. Here, let me flex real quick.
Yeah, look at my...
Don't look. Forget I ever did that. I didn't do that. I swear. It's gonna happen. Come on. It's gonna happen. Oh. Come on. It'll happen. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna beat it. I'm gonna beat it right now. Oh. No. Okay.
Oh, yet again, it seems that you died.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, I did. I'm not even mad at him anymore. I genuinely, like, I'm on his side now. This is getting silly. Look, getting a little goofy here. Oh! I'm not mad at him.
You're not
He's
good at
correct.
this, are you? Look
Oh,
at
hi.
that. Look, you just died right there.
Yes, I did, Robert.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. Did I clip my wings? I don't think so. Or do I clip my wings? No. Maybe I should. So I don't get as many feathers in my eye. Oh! No! Hi.
I was gonna say something really insightful and intelligent, but I'll be honest. On the way up here, I forgot.
Wait, you did this one already! You're repeating yourself.
Yeah, maybe I'll remember it later.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait,
yeah.
actually, you know what? I remember it just now. It's
Ha,
that,
you died.
Haha, you died.
Be honest, did you think you'd get to this point? I thought I'd actually beat it, yes. And now I wasn't paying attention. Whoa, look at that. Okay.
I'm saying this because I care.
Yeah.
There's something wrong with you.
Okay. Thanks, Robert. That's great. Robert, should everybody who's watching right now like the stream?
No. No way in hell. Nope. Nuh-uh.
Bruh, come on,
No.
man.
No.
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 Oh my god. Should everybody dislike the stream?
Yep, that's right. I'm pretty cool.
What? That's not what I said. That's not what I said. Okay.
Hey, Kieran, where's the microphone?
Oh, it's right down here.
Oh, okay.
Dude, you just like grew like 10 times bigger there. Don't do that again. No, that's not funny, man. Come on.
No.
Don't. Okay. Don't do it. Bruh! It's not
Is
funny.
it funny yet?
No, it's not funny. It's not funny.
Okay, hold on. Now
Okay,
it's funny.
It's funny. Yeah, now it's funny. You got me. No! Okay.
Hey, Kieran, here's a thought.
Yeah.
They call my species gray, and they call oranges
Yeah.
for a reason.
What's the reason? Just because.
Well, I just thought you'd want a thought because you never have any. Ah! Take that!
Okay.
Wow, Kieran, I think you might beat the record here for worst video game player.
You already said that. You already said that, man. Okay. He's gone. Alright. This level is honestly infuriating. Yeah. Yeah, it's not easy. What about you, Robert? Do you think this level looks hard? Do you think you can beat this? Yeah? Okay. Wait, do you think it is hard?
You said it.
Okay, yeah, it's hard, but do you think you could beat it?
Yes.
Okay. Good to know.
Hey, Kieran, I forgot to tell you, but I went
Yeah.
over to Walmart again.
Oh, yeah.
And
You didn't break the
they
door,
had
did
this
you?
one song that
Yeah.
was playing on their speakers there, and it
Okay.
went like this. I'm Bigfoot now.
I can't listen to this right now, Robert.
Jump around.
What's wrong with you?
I'm Bigfoot
No.
now. Jump around.
I know the song, man.
What's Bigfoot?
It's a monkey man that lives in the woods. Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go kill him.
Okay, good luck with that. Okay. Let's take a break. Robert, do you wanna step in, Robert? No. Do you wanna step in?
Nah.
No? Okay. Alright. Robert, if you don't have a brain, then what do you have? Robert, buddy.
What do they want?
No, I want to know if you don't have a brain, what do you have?
You know,
to
I
think?
don't know why, but those words specifically, I completely forgot what they mean.
Oh.
Anyway, goodbye.
Oh, okay, bye. Okay. Now I have to kill Donkey Kong. Okay. Alright. With 3 health, I gotta beat Donkey Kong. Ow! Oh my god, the controls are giving me a headache. Holy fuck. Ah! Go! Go, go, go! Oh, it's like Mario 64. Or a burb. Okay, so I just have to do this again. Off to a great start. Oh my god! Oh. Coins. Coins. Is this... What is this? Thank you. Oh my god, I did it. I fucking did it. Thank you. Oh my god! Listen to this, guys!
You're tuned in to
Oh.
Burn Earn's live stream, playing the best hits,
Oh.
best bits. If you like what you're seeing, make sure to subscribe and join
Robert.
the public Discord.
Robert,
Burns,
I did it!
Bringing the heat and the
I did it,
Wow,
Robert!
Kieran, I never thought it'd happen.
Oh, me neither,
You
honestly.
won.
I did win.
Good job, buddy. I think you deserve that W more than anyone in the entire world.
Thank you. Don't shake your head at that. I
Yeah.
do. I won. Come on, man.
Okay,
that
I'm
was
gonna
hard.
sit behind your chair more.
I thought you said it stinks. Asshole.
Too bad.
Okay, you know, whatever. We've come a long way, you and me. I'm like crying. I'm crying a little bit. No, I'm not. I just need to jump, right? We've seen a bunch of different kingdoms. I mean, sure, we got shot down and stuff along the way. Yeah. We're all in it. Oh, okay. Let's climb normal speed. The trip really was amazing. Yes, it was. Thank you, Mario. It's been an honor walking a mile on your head. You did none of the work, bro. Oh, we get 3 moons! Yeah! Yes! Yes! We did it! I did it! Yeah! Oh my god. Nice going. Thank you, Space Kids. Thank you, Demonic. Wow, I'm invisible. Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. It feels really good to have beaten the hardest level in Super Mario Odyssey. If you enjoyed that, you should check out the entire stream playlist, or maybe even future streams later on. Right now I'm playing Celeste and Majora's Mask, and you can come anytime for that. What do you think, Robert? Do you think that people should join in for do you think people should join in for the next thing? Whatever the next game is? What do you think, buddy? Oh, he's behind me.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. I like how he's cut off there. We'd like to keep quality a #1 here on the stream.